What is up, people of YouTube? I decided that I was going to make a video showing my BMX bike. It is a Haro Forum Counterpart Light, I think is what the official name of it is. I just call it a Haro Forum, but basically it's a Haro Forum with Wogo metal pedals, or the magnesium pedals. It has a special chain. I don't know too much about it other than it's dirty and it requires a chain tool to pull it apart and put it back on and stuff, and it's fairly loose right now. It's got like enough of the slap in it, like motocross slap, because I couldn't bother getting it 100% tight. Have a Subrosa pivotal seat, which is linked to a Black Ops pivotal seat post, just random stuff. Odyssey Atkin rear tire. It's the tire that it's not as much of a dirt track feel. The only reason why I have this on is because I'm going to one of my sister's friend's house, or whatever, family friend, and I'm going to be riding on dirt there because they live out in the country. Odyssey Atkin front tire, and if I can get to the light, I will try to show you, but it's like really here. I press this against myself. Like really kind of deep gouges. More of a dirt tire. I've got a premium CK tires I use for street. Right now it has the brake levers and everything on it. It just does not have the brakes on it. I need to go in and like tighten everything up and work on it. I got new brake pads on the way, and it is the thing is messed up. My pedal thing is messed up. Whatever. Oh yeah, Long Necks. I've got new ones because these got messed up. And just a bunch of random stickers, Subrosa, Master Blaster Planet, a bunch of Dance Comp S&M. Random stuff I have done to it. I've got red anodized cable splitter, red anodized, well, faded red anodized by now, but faded red anodized caps, and a lot of people have told me that the bike does not 100% match. I didn't know that. The red, black, white colorblind or whatever, the red, yellow, green, that's what it is. God, I can't even remember what I am. But basically I don't see reds right, and so that and that look the same, and that looks like only like a bit off from that. And I've been told that and my caps were the same, but that's because they're anodized red or whatever. And I'm pretty sure that's the same, right? But I don't know. I've been told it doesn't match, and I know my chain doesn't match because whenever I went there, I had my bike there, and I told them, like, I didn't have a chain breaker, so I told them to make it, like, fit my bike, and they're like, you realize it doesn't match it 100%. I'm like, well, I don't care, because I don't really see it, whatever. But, yeah, just, white brake cable, because I use this for, just riding around town right now. So, brakes, except for, whenever my brake pads get worn out to the point where I can't use them. I'll show you here. get to them. I took them off, but like they're so worn. It's like to the point where they weren't even stopping right, and they weren't originally good brakes anyways. The only reason why I kept them on is because they'd still stop whenever they were wet, really good. They were like ultra hard compound, so I didn't like them. They're just like the green ombre wet and dry brakes. I wouldn't really recommend them. They're pieces of crap, really. Other than whenever it's wet. If you ride in it, like in, I guess, where it rains a lot, these work really good for some reason. But yeah, that's my bike. I'll be posting a video in a little bit about my motocross bikes. And hopefully starting moto vlogs on those. And maybe little videos of this. Once I get a GoPro. So stay posted. Just keep on tuning in.